Assalamu alaikum, class 6. Hope all of you are fine. Okay, in last two lectures, we completed two topics. First one was reading emails, and second one was personal writing. In personal writing, that was writer's personal life experience. And in email writing, the persons who were writing emails, they shared information about famous places of their city or country. So today you are going to do creative writing, that is writing an email. As you can see on the screen, today we are going to do writing an email, how to write an email. So before I start this lecture, I would like to tell you that I sent you some notes yesterday. And these were question answers of first chapter, reading emails. There were words, meanings, and question answers. Hopefully, you have done this. Vocabulary question answers, those are short questions, and the long question answers, those were from reading for understanding. And before it, you had to do words, meanings. Okay, fine. Okay, Dua, thank you. Good. So rest of the students will also be, if they have not done, then they will be doing words, meanings, question answers of chapter number 1. Today, I will send you words, meanings, and question answers of chapter 2. Okay. As you have read chapter number 1, so it was about reading emails. So today you are going to know how to write an email. What is an email? An email is an electronic mail. Okay, an email is an electronic mail where you can send messages from one computer or network to the other. Clear? An email is an electronic mail where you can send messages from one computer or network to the other. Okay, as you know that we are living in a modern century, so our modes of communication have changed. Firstly, people used to write letters which were sent by post, and there was a postman who dropped those letters at homes. Now modes of communication is changed. So internet has become part and parcel of our lives. So internet is part and parcel of our lives. With the advancement of technology, email has also become a prominent mode of communication. Have you got? So modes of communication are changed. Internet has become part and parcel because we are living in a modern century. There was a time in old times, people used to write letters which were sent by post. But with the advancement of technology, email has become a prominent mode of communication. Clear? So today you will know about writing an email. First of all, I will tell you steps of it, how to start an email. Okay. First step, After from, you have to write your email address because you are sending email. So after from, you will be writing your email address. And after to, whom you are sending email, you will be writing here receiver's email address. Okay. After to, you will be writing here receiver's email address. Then you will start with the greeting. After writing your email address and receiver's email address whom you want to send email, after that you will write greeting. You can write assalamu alaikum, you can write hello, hi, etc. Then you will be writing person's name. Clear? After that, there is body part. Here you will write all the details. What do you want to say to the person or your message? Your message will be written here, or whatever you want to say to the person, all those details will be written here. Okay, look at this. This is a template, or you can say sample. Yes, it begins with to. After to, you will be writing receivers whom you are sending email. You will be writing here receiver's email address. And what is this? This CC. CC mean carbon copy. If you want to send email to more than one people, then you will be writing here all other people's email addresses. Okay. And when you send them email, so each one will know that whom this email is being sent. Okay. Into, you will write whom do you want to send email. Only one person's email address will be written here into in this block. Only one person's email address will be written here. And in CC, that is carbon copy, here you will write email addresses of rest of the people. If you, for example, if you want to send email to more than one people, then rest of the people's email addresses will be written here, and we each one of them will know that who has received this email. Okay. And in subject, what is the email about? For example, if you want to invite someone to your birthday party, then you will write here in subject, you will write here invitation for birthday party, right? Or if you want to tell something about as in 4 emails people have told others about famous or important places of their city. So in subject, if you want to in subject, you if you want to write email and you want to tell other persons about the famous places or important places or historical places of your city or country, then you will be writing here historical or important places of my city or country, right? As you can see, this email is beginning with hello. After hello, you will be writing here person's name. And then body. It means all the details. What do you want to say to the person or your message, etc. For example, okay, I'm telling you an example. For example, if you want to write email to your friend and you are going to tell him or her about famous or historical places of your city or country, so how will you start? As you start letter, the same way you will start an email. I hope everything will be good at your end. So it will be beginning. You are going to start an email. I hope everything will be good at your end. And you have asked me, or I'm going to share with you about the famous places or about the important places, historical places of my city. So choose any 3 or 4 places, as I have chosen Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, or Lahore Museum. So as in the text, in 4 emails, people told about the historical places or famous places of their city. Na? The same way you will be telling in this email to your friend about different or famous places of your city. So this part in body part, what will you be writing here? Suppose you are going to write, I hope everything will be good at your end. Today I'm going to share information about historical places of my city. Lahore Fort is one of the most famous historical fort in Lahore. It was built in Mughal era, and it was built by a Mughal emperor. Okay, the objects which were used by Mughal emperors are put there, are displayed there. So these are the a few information about this his important historical place, that is Lahore Fort. It is very worth visiting. We can get information about different historical objects, things of Mughal era. And then you will tell about Badshahi Mosque. Near to it, there is Badshahi Mosque. It is Mughal era's mosque in Lahore. It is in the west of Lahore Fort. It was Badshahi Mosque was also constructed by Mughal emperors. And the next place is Lahore Museum. You will tell about Lahore Museum. It is Pakistan's most visited museum. It was built during British time period. And there is another famous place, Lahore Art Council. Lahore Art Council is near Qazafi Stadium. There is an art gallery in it where painters and sculptures exhibit their paintings. Okay. So such kind of information. This is an example which I'm giving to you. So such kind of information, such kind of historical places, you can write about these. That's all about history. That's all about email writing, and you will be writing about. It's up to you. You can choose any topic, and then you can let your friends know about that. Okay. Now I'm going to repeat it. Writing email. Email is an electronic mail where you can send messages from one computer or network to the other. These are the steps you have to follow while writing an email. From, in, from, after, from, you will be writing sender's email address. After, to, you will be writing receiver's email address. Then greeting, hello, hi, assalamu alaikum, whatever you want to write, you will write there. Then person's name will be written there, and then body or details. As I have given you an example of important or famous places of Lahore. For example, you are going to write about important or famous places of Lahore. You want to tell your friend about important or historical places of Lahore. So I have told you about 3 different places: Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Museum. There is another place, that is Lahore Art Council. This is an art gallery. Okay, you have, this is because this is creative writing, so you have to write it yourself. Okay, this is your homework also. You will be writing an email, and this work will be done in your English B notebook. You will be doing this work in your English B notebook. Clear? And then you will be following this step. These steps you will be following. And at the end, how to end this email? Yes, thanks and regards. At the end, you will write thanks and or regards, and then you will be writing your name. So this way, email will be ended. Okay, now I'm going to ask you who has got it. Yes, Zainab, unmute your mic. Yes, Zainab, what do you want to ask? Zainab, unmute your mic. What do you want to ask? Okay, Dua, what do you want to ask? Unmute your mic.
एक्सक्यूज मी टीचर, वो की जो ईमेल्स हैं वो हमने खुद लिखने हैं इंग्लिश ए कॉपी में, इंग्लिश बी कॉपी में?
Yes, Dua, you have to write email yourself in your English B notebook. I have just given you an example of it. ठीक है कि कैसे लिखनी है. Okay, I have given you an example of it and I have told you about famous places. You can change the topic. You can write an invitation of your birthday party and you can send this email to your friends. You are, for example, you are going to invite your friends on your birthday party, so you will send them an email. Okay, or second option is you can write about famous or important places of your city and then you will tell to your friends about the famous or important places of your city.
टीचर इंग्लिश बी की तो मिक्स कॉपी है ना?
No, you have to write in English B notebook. English B notebook is separate. English B work will not be done in English A notebook.
टीचर इंग्लिश ए और इंग्लिश बी की तो मैंने एक ही कॉपी बनाई हुई है.
Okay, okay then. So you will do in same notebook that is being used for English A work. Okay.
ओके टीचर.
Do you want to ask something else, Dua?
नो टीचर.
कुछ और? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Students, I have given you an example that how to write email to your friend about famous and important places of your city or country. So you have to follow that example and you will write email yourself. Okay. So that's all about today's lecture. Yes, Zainab. Zainab, do you want to ask something? Unmute your mic. Zainab. Yes, Zainab.
टीचर इंग्लिश बी की कॉपी नहीं है.
Okay, then you will do it in your English A notebook. Okay. Then do it in your English A notebook. If you don't have English B notebook, then do it in your English A notebook. Okay.
टीचर इंग्लिश ए को हाफ करके करनी है उसमें.
What? Yes, Zainab, you can ask.
इंग्लिश ए की कॉपी है, इसको हाफ करके सीधे बी का काम।
Yes, exactly. Have you got Zainab? Okay, students, this is your homework. I will be sending you question answers of summer.
ईमेल लिखनी है, इसका टॉपिक क्या है?
What? After the lecture, I will be sending you homework. Then I will be telling you a topic that what to write about. Okay, I will send you notes of Summers and Murray, question answers and words meanings. And I will also tell you that on which topic you have to write an email. Okay. So it will be sent till 2 o'clock. Okay. Thank you, class 6. Allah Hafiz.